Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar RV channel, your go-to source for reliable updates on the Iraqi dinar, currency revaluations, and the global financial developments that matter most to investors like you. Today's report is far from ordinary. We are witnessing a financial milestone that's making headlines worldwide. This isn't just another speculative rumor or minor currency fluctuation. It's a confirmed historic revaluation. As of this morning, the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, has officially revalued at a much higher exchange rate than anyone expected, sparking massive reactions across the financial world. Forex traders, banks, institutional investors, and everyday holders of IQD are moving fast in response to what many are calling one of the most significant currency events in recent memory. A new exchange rate shocks the market. The news broke early in the global trading day. Currency platforms around the world updated in real time, showing a new exchange rate of $4.72 USD per Iraqi dinar. That's right, $4.72. Even the most optimistic projections never anticipated a jump this dramatic. But this isn't a glitch, leak, or hoax. The change has been confirmed by multiple major trading networks and financial data providers, including Bloomberg and top Forex brokerages. Within minutes, trading volumes for the IQD skyrocketed. Brokers from New York to London, from Singapore to Dubai, have reported record-high interest in the dinar. The IQD quickly became one of the most traded currencies on several major platforms, overtaking long-time staples like the euro and pound in volume. This moment is a game-changer, especially for long-term holders who have been patiently waiting for the RV to materialize. A turning point for the dinar. For years, the Iraqi dinar has been seen by many as a speculative investment, burdened by political instability and economic unpredictability. Today, that image has been rewritten. This dramatic revaluation is a signal that Iraq is stepping into a new era of financial strength and global integration. The IQD is no longer a risky play. It's now being recognized as a strong and viable currency backed by tangible economic fundamentals. Why the sudden change? So what's behind this massive revaluation? Economists point to several key factors that helped Iraq reach this pivotal moment. Iraq has made significant strides in stabilizing its economy over the past 3 years. Key reforms have included increasing foreign currency reserves, expanding gold holdings, reducing national debt, enhancing fiscal transparency, modernizing its digital banking infrastructure, strengthening partnerships with international financial institutions. Add to that Iraq's strong oil-backed GDP and a renewed focus on monetary policy alignment with global standards. And it's clear why confidence in the IQD has surged. Seamless global implementation. One of the most impressive aspects of this event is how smoothly the transition occurred. Unlike past changes to the dinar's value, which were often mired in secrecy, confusion, or political interference, this revaluation was clean, public, and immediate. Trading platforms, banking systems, and financial dashboards worldwide updated simultaneously, a rare and commendable level of coordination. This flawless execution not only adds legitimacy to the move, but also instills confidence in Iraq's financial leadership. The Central Bank of Iraq, working with international partners, appears to have carefully prepared for this rollout. Technical systems were stress-tested, liquidity safeguards were put in place, and banking networks were updated well in advance. All signs of a mature and forward-looking financial strategy. Institutional reactions and global ripples. Central banks and financial institutions holding IQD as part of their reserve portfolios are now recalculating their holdings. Portfolio managers are working overtime to adjust strategies and exposure levels. In the Middle East, Asia, and beyond, National treasuries are updating reserve compositions to reflect Iraq's upgraded economic status. Banks across Europe and North America are beginning to revise their back-end systems to accommodate the new rate. Some have temporarily paused dinar-related services to avoid technical errors, while others have already started processing conversions and transactions at the updated value. Digital wallets and blockchain-based currency platforms are also reacting. Apps that support multi-currency balances are quickly adjusting IQD values, and many fintech firms are rolling out updates to ensure accurate real-time conversions. Stay vigilant against scams. With a major currency event like this comes increased risk of fraud. Investors are urged to remain cautious and avoid unverified dealers. Only transact through licensed financial institutions and verified platforms. The surge in activity is likely to attract bad actors hoping to take advantage of the buzz. Geopolitical and economic impact. This revaluation doesn't just affect Forex markets. It has wide-reaching geopolitical implications. A stronger dinar means Iraq can now renegotiate international trade deals from a position of power. Existing contracts and investment agreements may soon be reviewed under the lens of this new exchange rate. For Iraq, this could result in more favorable trade terms, increased foreign direct investment, and greater influence in regional and global economic forums. With a stable, high-value currency, Iraq has enhanced its credibility on the international stage. What comes next? According to financial analysts, this revaluation is likely the first step in a broader economic transformation. Iraq is expected to pursue new investment strategies, attract international banking institutions, and launch infrastructure development projects to further stimulate growth. We also anticipate the rollout of financial incentives aimed at foreign investors and the continued modernization of Iraq's financial systems. This is more than a one-time value jump. It's the start of a new economic chapter for Iraq and a significant opportunity for those holding IQD. Guidance for IQD holders. If you've been holding Iraqi dinar, this is your moment, but it's essential to act strategically. Avoid emotional decisions or hasty trades. Make sure you stay updated on currency exchange procedures, regulatory updates, tax considerations, verified exchange centers. In our upcoming videos, we'll walk you through everything, from how to safely exchange your IQD, what documentation you'll need, to where to go and what rates to expect. In summary, the Iraqi dinar has officially joined the ranks of strong global currencies. With an exchange rate of $4.72, it has not only shocked the market but redefined Iraq's economic future. For investors, this is a time of great opportunity, but also a time to remain informed, vigilant, and prepared. Thanks for tuning in to the Iraqi Dinar RV channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss an update. We'll continue to bring you the latest insights, practical advice, and financial strategies in this rapidly evolving currency landscape. The revaluation is real, and the future is brighter than ever.